Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete maybe the multiplayer or single player separately on your games on your PlayStation 5. So if we go up to settings right here, and then going down to storage, go to console storage, games and apps, and there should be an option right next to the game if it allows it. So here's Call of Duty, for example. If we go to the right, it says select individual items. Then we can go in here, we can see Warzone is on here. So we can just delete the Warzone component of this. I think I just have Call of Duty in a different area. Let's go on down. Here's Call of Duty under the Call of Duty HQ. And then we have the option to install or delete the multiplayer right here. So we can select this and it'll delete 100 gigabytes. And then we've got Warzone and the other ones I was selecting down here, Warzone. Then we can just look through this list and see if there's any other games where I can delete different portions of the game. So we got Resident Evil 4. I think I got the VR mode. Yep, there it is. So if I downloaded that, I can delete that Age of Empires. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe add-ons I can delete. So yeah, very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.